Me not lie. Me want wonder. What make all of the body money I take a set for me so? Me just ask a question. Instead of all of the woman then cuss me and the real man then cuss me. Me just want to know what make all of the dirty body man them a cuss me off. No sir. Me not understand. You amount of man de pa me name pan line. Blessing baby want me. One time can get a hot dog. Listen here. I'm here on what's up my moderator guys, my beg on big up my moderator and I build it for me now please and thank you sir the right this up on me. Okay. Just shoot the gift give me guys, that's my moderator. Follow my moderator for me now please. Love me some Annie. I'm here baby. Hey, may soon have a dog. Alright. Thank you baby. Love you back. Love you also. Hi. Can I have a hot dog please? No, I'm gonna put a hot dog and a cup of tea. 200. What type of tea? Alright, I would like a cappuccino and a hot dog with cheese. Yeah, there you go. Give me another cup of tea too as well. So give me 2 cups of tea. Here? Without a door. Anna Banana, what's up? And oh, you know, link my girl, me now come in at the comment section. Wanna tell me say, oh, thank you. Yeah. Wanna tell me say, if I come down in the comment section, when I come down there, be a disrespect and girl, I tell me say, them I go throw acid in my face. Me now come in at the comment say, me rather give me number, you text me. Me not coming down there. I can't take so much people they on my back. I'm this squad I said to you say, if I come out here so come cuss all them the dirty batty man there, what good it go look, what good it go do me? I can't take on so much people. I rather black them out of my head and black myself from my world. That's so I stay. Like black out everything. That's how I stay. I go down in the comment section. Me box me. Hold on there, you box me. Yeah, this squad said me box me. And that me I say, just stay to myself. It's too much man and it never needed. Oh, I can do it for me please? Yeah. You know too sweet? Yeah, I want cappuccino. I can't change you someone not too sweet because last time I tasted it, it is sweet and I could have drink it. Yes. Inbox me please. Hold on. Give me the 2 of them, the 2 of them where you know with less sugar or less sweetness, you know? Something I can go down this. Person say to inbox me. Okay, me follow her. I follow you. You said to inbox you. You have on Destiny DP, yeah. You said to follow you have your mods block them. Yeah, my moderator and I is the panel floor now. She go block them. What's up, my baby girl? Me see you nice and sexy. You go out with yourself in a board suit. Your belly flat. I like your flat belly. Mommy, what's up? I'm here, baby. What's you cooking, honey? Alright. Alright, we can go with this one. Alright, thank you. When I cook me their road, I go do my ear and my lash. I can have mayonnaise, ketchup, and cheese. You have cheese? Make sure you inbox me. Alright, so when I do, I come out because I make one video. So when I come down, I look for you because okay, make sure I follow you, you know, come down there. Hey, I follow you. Alright, I follow you, so I go inbox you now. Okay. Smile for. Tap your put your smile for me, you know. No. Then the right outside. Make this thing. you. Hey, Kevin. You up there, so? In the right line, man. In good. Enough love, baby. Sexy. Big up yourself. Nikki Boo. Nikki Boo, good girl. A smile, man. Me not lie. My eyelash them dry. I check this fit again. All right. She said, make sure. All right, I will. I love Kingston. Wait, me soon come. I make the food drop out of my mall. See, everything is, the food is going to fly out of my mall. Yeah, I love Kingston. I don't think I want to leave. I don't think I want to go home. Kingston fit me. I like him, not like you. To be honest, the different environment make me feel good.